The immensely popular Renault CLIO supermini has been given a comprehensive mid-cycle update, ensuring it remains fresh and competitive against the Volkswagen Polo, Skoda Fabia, and other rivals in the fiercely contested European B segment. Now entering its sixth model year, the fifth-generation CLIO sports a completely redesigned front end, featuring much slimmer LED headlights and a wider grille with a distinctive checkerboard pattern, nods to Renault's heritage. The daytime running lights are a modern interpretation of the company's logo, shaped to resemble half of an upright rhombus. At the rear, the taillights revert to a clear lens design last seen on the previous fourth-gen model. In range-topping Esprit Alpine trim that replaces the outgoing RS line variant, the 2024 CLIO showcases one of 6 different diffuser designs tailored to each trim level and powertrain. Additional exterior tweaks include revised skid plates and wheel arch extensions. Customers can choose from 5 new 16 and 17-inch wheel options, all marked by a brushed aluminum Renault logo at the center. Boasting the widest powertrain range in its class, the 2024 CLIO offers no less than 4 gas engines and even a diesel, not to mention the excellent E-TECH hybrid system. The highlight is undoubtedly the 145 horsepower full hybrid that brilliantly blends driving fun and frugality, with CO2 emissions as low as possible, and fuel consumption of just 4.1 liters per 100 kilometers based on the new WLTP test cycle. For those wanting forced induction without electrification, a turbocharged 3-cylinder TCE 100 gas engine is available alongside the trusty 4-cylinder 1.3-liter TCE 130. Making a return is also the unique TCE 100 unit designed to run on compressed natural gas for the eco-conscious buyer. Last but not least, the blue DCI 95 diesel promises low running costs for high-mileage drivers. Renault has put considerable thought into improving the cabin as well, with higher-grade materials and the latest infotainment systems. Leather upholstery has been dropped in favor of synthetic TEP made from a combination of organic and polyester fibers for sustainability. Depending on selected trim, the digital instrument cluster comes in 7 or 10-inch sizes, complementing the 7 and 9.3-inch touchscreens. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity is standard, as is built-in navigation and a 360-degree parking camera on higher-end models. Up to 20 advanced driver assistance systems are available, including traffic sign recognition, adaptive cruise control, and lane-keeping assist. As before, the entry-level CLIO comes with a naturally aspirated 1-liter 3-cylinder gas engine making 65 horsepower, followed by the turbocharged 1-liter 3-pot rated at 100 horsepower. Above them sits the torquey 4-cylinder 1.3-liter gas engine in 2 states of tune, 115 horsepower or 130 horsepower. Last but certainly not least powerful is the aforementioned E-TECH hybrid system making 145 electrified horses. The 2024 model year update keeps the segment-leading Renault CLIO feeling fresh while incorporating the latest technology trends when it comes to infotainment and interior fabrics. An even greater selection of engine options plus subtle styling revisions inside and out should also strengthen its case versus newer rivals. Expect the updated Renault CLIO to uphold its reputation as a stylish, efficient, and versatile city car when deliveries commence in early 2024. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.